At this Exxon Circle K car wash here. This is a notably different style. So the code is 38565. No. And this is a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. And we're going to test it on the Ford Ranger.
Alright, let's do this thing.
Yeah, this used to be a Softgloss Maxx with Slimline Dryers, but since February, Circle K has committed to changing this into a ChoiceWash. It's very intriguing. Oh, wait, back up. Okay, it sounds like the air horn in an arena. The way it is set up. Okay, so the machine is all poised and ready. And it seems to me that it looks like, I don't know, this is like a, I don't know, low pressure rinse to kind of kick it off with.
Yeah, let's see what it does from here, huh?
Yeah, these dryers are definitely intriguing the way it's designed. Ooh, look at that. Tri-foam, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And the brushes have kicked off from the get-go. And here comes the top brush. Wow, it's 3 brushes instead of 5, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is definitely different than I thought.
Feel like it's doing the rims, it's doing the hubs right now.
Yeah. Huh, it sounds a little soft. That definitely feels familiar.
Yep.
Darn camera.
On its way back, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the brushes are definitely bigger than the ones compared to the previous existing wash. So, it pales in comparison. Heck, many Circle K car washes could be changed to this system like it is here.
Mm-hmm. Now what do we get?
Okay.
Rinse?
Yeah, probably a rinse round type thing. Looks like Reynolds. Huh, that's kind of weird. One of the spray nozzles were being deployed. It's got the same red color on the brushes though. So that's definitely something. Okay. That's definitely an intriguing experience. Okay.
Drive ahead.
Yep. And here we go through the brand new Mark VII blowers.
Let's see what this is all about.
Yep. Those are the two top parts, and the other two are the sides. Sounds like a turbojet. And it looks like we got a minute of drying time left. Whoa, very turbulent. Yeah, I love the slot designs. It look like giant coin slots to me. The way that the nozzles are designed. Well, that's it for the wash.
All right.
It was a fun experience.